Sustainable Development Stem Project by Iman Kassam. Goal 12 of the Sustainable Development Goals says that it is to ensure sustainable consumption and production needs. Here is a diagram showing all the goals of this particular goal. One of them is about waste consumption. Sustainable consumption. Sustainable consumption is the use of materials, products, energy and services in such a way that minimizes impact on the environment and so human needs can be met in the future. This includes waste management. One of the biggest contributors to CO2 and unsustainable waste is food waste. US restaurants generate an estimated 22 to 33 billion pounds of food waste each year. A key factor to sustainable development is distributing resources more evenly. Charitable organisations like food banks need resources. My idea would allow the sharing of food from restaurants to food banks to be more seamless. And here you can see waste management is on the cycle of sustainable consumption and production. That's where FoodShare comes in, which is the name I've given my hypothetical app. FoodShare is an app that allows easy communications between restaurants and charitable organisations that require food, namely food banks. For example, if a restaurant had excess cucumber from that day that would go off and eventually go to waste, and the food bank needed, say, diced cucumber for the salad they were going to distribute, FoodShare would allow this to happen through offers and requesting food as shown in the walkthrough. The project overview. Elements of STEM used. I'm using technology and technological skills to create an app prototype. The problem minimized with this is food waste, and the apps or sites used is Marvel for the prototype and PowerPoint to present this. On to the app prototype walkthrough. So it starts on what you'd see when you'd open the app, which is FoodShare. So this is a sign up page, so you can either sign up as a receiver of food or a sender of food. So let's start with sender. So you just put your details in, the name of your eatery, your full name, that's optional, your email address, and then some optional information about your eatery. Submit that. And then it takes you to a home page like this, and once you've personalised the type of food you serve, which you can do in account settings, so let's show that. So here you can personalise your account, so you can say whether your eatery is vegetarian or has a different dietary requirement. You can change your name, avatar, add a bio. You'll see different options of food banks that are requesting the type of food you have. Okay, so there'd also be an about us with a promotional video, and then some of the stuff I've mentioned on the PowerPoint about why we started this company. And then you can submit food. So you type the type of food that you're submitting here, and then if it's pre-cut, you can choose from the drop-down menu how it's cut. And yeah, you can also add the dietary requirements. And then let's log out and look at it from a receiver. So that's a charitable organisation in need of food, i.e. a food bank. So you do the same thing and submit that. And then you'd have a very similar home page with, instead, food banks, restaurants that have the type of food that you're looking for. So you'd have a similar settings request food about page. Okay, so this is how you'd request food. It's pretty much the same as logging leftover food, except you're requesting food. There you go.
Thank you for watching.